How's it going, everybody? This is Felipe from the Eight Ounce Showroom. Today we're going to be talking about the Timemore Brick. You might have heard from Timemore from their scales or maybe their kettles, but I would say most of us are familiar with them from their hand grinders or electric grinders. Just looking at the brick, you might notice some of its best features already. First off, it's incredibly compact. This grinder is small, it's easy on a countertop, it's perfect for an office or at home. It won't take up much of your space. Now, another part, you might not be able to see it too much in the video, but this is mainly aluminum. It is very well built, especially at this price point. It's a big plus. Inside the grinder, it's equipped with 40mm conical steel burrs. If you're familiar with the C3 or the S3 lineup from Timemore, they're the spike to cut. How that works is as you grind finer, the burr set increases the amount of fines in your brew. As you grind coarser, the amount of fines is minimal. Now, on the actual burr settings, you will have 150 adjustments to play around with, each of them going by 10 microns per click. On the bit of a topic of fines, you might notice this does have a rotary knocker. It was found in the Sculptors. How it works is you just rotate this to whether either you want to include or not include the fines in your final brew. You would include them for your espresso and keep them out of them if you were to be doing filter or brew. Who's this for? Overall, this grinder would be perfect for anybody looking for a home or office grinder that's compact, very well built, and very consistent for both filter and espresso. If you would happen to have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you have any experience with the grinder, feel free to comment that as well. If you're here in Calgary, don't hesitate to stop on by or reach out. We have a showroom. This is actually the showroom model too. Yeah, happy brewing.